This is an instructional video of how to remove the top cover from the multi-mixer assembly and then to remove the friction wheel assembly. First, make sure the unit is unplugged before beginning any work. Next, you will need a flathead screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the rear of the unit. Next, using your 2 thumbs, push up on the rear of the unit of the top cover and then wiggle it from side to side to remove the clips from the front of the top plate. To remove the friction wheel assembly, you'll need a 15/16 wrench and a mallet or a hammer. Place the 15/16 wrench onto the friction wheel nut and tap to crack the nut loose. Turn the nut counterclockwise until it begins to bind up, and then crack it loose a second time. This is a double locking nut, so you will need to crack it loose twice. Once cracked open twice, you can remove the friction wheel from the shaft.
Did you do it?
Yep.
Good.
Yep.